Hi everybody, today we're going to make steak and eggs. That's what I'm having for dinner tonight, so I figured I might as well go ahead and record it for you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I've went ahead and seasoned the steak up. This is a ribeye steak, okay? And I've seasoned it with, you're going to need onion powder, sole seasoning, parsley flakes, garlic powder, pepper, accent, salt. And I've taken some onions, and in my smothered pork chop video, I've showed you guys how to how to saute onions. So these are sauteed onions, and then this butter here, I'm going to do something with this butter after the steak is done. Okay, so in this pan here, I have oil. I have oil, and I have about 4 tablespoons of butter in there. Okay, let me get my steak going. You want your flame to be on medium high, okay? You want to hear that sizzle. Anytime you're making a steak, you want to hear that sizzle, okay? So, you want to hear that sizzle, and that way you know it's searing, okay? So let's hear this. We'll come back here in a second. At this time, guys, okay, you can see it searing nice. See that, see the oil there, how it's bubbling, that oil and butter? That's what we want. Because we want to get a nice crust on here. Like for instance, I'm making this for my husband, and he likes his steaks well done. So today I'll be showing you guys a well done steak. But I will also do other videos with a medium rare and how to do those, because me personally, I like mine medium. But this steak today is going to be a well done. Okay, so don't touch it. Don't go in with your spatula or fork messing with it. Just let it sit, let it cook, okay? And what you'll notice is down here, I don't know if you can see, down here you'll start to see like a brown rim at towards the bottom of the steak. And that indicates that it needs to be flipped, okay? So let's let it go for a while and we'll be back. Okay, everybody. Now this has been cooking for a good 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to go in and I'm going to turn it, okay? And it should come up very easily. Oh, look at that. That's exactly how we want it when you're making a well done. See how we got that crust there? Okay? That's exactly what we want. And now, when I'm making a steak, what I like to do is I season it ahead of time. Like season it maybe a half an hour ahead of time. Let those spices, you know, get down in me. Okay, so here's what we're doing. I'm going to come over here, Dakota, and I'm going to make a butter compote. Now what we're going to do, this butter is going to go on top of the steak, and it's going to melt on top of the steak once I plate it. And so what I have is 5 tablespoons of butter, 5 teaspoons of butter here, and we're going to put some black pepper, just as much as you'd like, okay, so no measurements. We're going to put some garlic powder, okay? We're going to put some parsley flakes for color, okay? We're going to put some onion powder. We're going to mix this up, okay? Just very simple. Mix this up really good. And there we have a flavored butter, okay? And this is going to go on top of that steak once that steak gets plated up, and it's going to melt all of those seasonings, that garlic powder, that parsley, that pepper in the butter. It's going to melt on that steak and make it delicious. Try this, guys, you will love it. And also you can you can take this butter and you can put cinnamon and brown sugar in the butter, and you can spread that over top of biscuits. That's awesome too. I'll make a video for that, but we'll just set this aside, okay? And let's look over here at our steak. Okay, perfect. And like I said, I have this cooking on a medium high. Let's just let it go. Let it cook for a few minutes and I'll be... Okay, guys, if you can see right here how the steak is showing some blood there, that indicates that this steak is not done. For it to be a well done steak, it's not done, okay? So we'll just let it keep going for a while until it gets completed. Okay, everybody, what I want to do is I want to look at the other side. So we're going to go ahead and flip this again, okay? Oh, look at that. That's exactly what we're wanting. At this time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put some of these onions in here. To get these onions heated back up, this is going to go with this steak. And that's just, you know, just to heat it up a little bit in this oil, okay? But the steak is actually done. Okay, we'll be plating up here in a second as soon as these onions get heated up. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and get this steak out. Get this plated up. But before I take the steak out, I want to go ahead and put my compote butter right on here so that all of those spices that I put down in that butter can melt on this, okay? And that flavor is just going to explode once that butter melts, okay? Let's get this plated up. Okay, everybody, we're back. Ribeye steak is done. And can you see where the butter's melting? Okay, and I have 2 fried eggs there. Doesn't that look awesome? And as always, you guys, God bless. I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Have a great night.